Testing and rating some makeup products that I recently bought. Already prepped my skin. So first up, testing this blush nude Maybelline eyeshadow palette. So with their own brush, it's not very pigmented, but works well with your fingers. Next, this under eye patch thingy, and I use this as an eyeshadow stencil. This is how it looks. On one eye, I'm using my finger and the other a second brush. Just a beginner at eyeshadow, spare me. And reveal time. Hey, it works. Look at that sharp crease. Good job, yeah. 8.9 on 10. Next, this blush. I have been using it for a while and I'm in love with the matte pink shade I get. A good 9 on 10. Fourth, this powder highlighter. It took forever to open, but wait for the magic. See, love how my nose looks contoured and my face literally illuminates. A 9 on 10 again. Last, for the lipstick, I wanted this nude shade, but let's test this product with a bold red. Waiting for it to dry. Okay, time for the lip matte topper. Basically, it makes your lips matte and transfer proof. So apply, leave it for some time and then test. Oh my god, it works even on this shade. Shooting this the next day. So this glitter eyeshadow, I already used the black one in the last shots and the pink one I'm using right now. All you have to do is just put it on and then smudge it and you get the glitter on the eye. Wow, I love it. Next up, you're never out of nude lipsticks and this one is it. This is Lead the Way by Maybelline and this is how it looks. It's also a dupe to my favorite lipstick, that's the Pillow Talk by Charlotte Tilbury. Next up, this gloss. It's not very effective, but you'll have to retouch it again and again, but I think it gives the shine. Lastly, this makeup cleansing pad. I feel this is much better than those cotton pads. You can also reuse it. And that was it for the mini haul and review. Links in the description and see you next time. Bye. And also subscribe to my channel, cuties. Bye.